satana ba aobloe. Novio miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Ao jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Ao miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Aoblo, aoblo, aobloe. Miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Jokato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ajato jojo nya 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 dala ya suragbe. Jokato jojo nya nya nya. Ao miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe. Novio miglena bosanu ba aoblo novio. Miglena satana ba aobloe.
Yo, akpe, miawezo.
Yo,
Gamisu.
Miami Srɔ Eʋegbe.
Me va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe. Gamisu. Indi indo fiai afisha fi miele.
Mashama, mi va mi Srɔ Eʋegbe. Mi va mi Srɔ mi adegbe Eʋegbe.
Just come on in. Akpena me.
Ne mi yi ŋlɔ ga mi aƒe nuŋlɔ ni alphabeto me de no ta mi ŋlɔ ne ewe. Ake eʋe. Ta.
I want to I'm a how do you say it? I'm a shaman. I won't say I'm a shaman because it's not everyone. But I'm a here dona ever. Obosum, because it wasn't like that. Even in our associations, most of us were saying Ewe, association of, Ewe association, Ewe, like if you feel I'm a shaman, Blom.
Association.
The ver is what I'm stressing. That everybody's trying to say the ver.
Nemiega va troire ngonglo jeshi ugboko. Miega nmo kata hegevi. O meshama na kwebe ho. Hula miashi. Na ko ako hu hu azu nya degbe nya ma.
Okay.
Aka nijo tawo ge mi alagba.
Oh well, Medeku that very why I wanna be I'm all just sure via there. If for Sarah say I wanna be once in a new hitter. Medeku my introduce the kuya.
Anya a Cyrus ya nya fa bankwenye sanyo manya ba amareshare jashimla moyaji cause mije enu ya goma ono yafi kake ame komunya mo anyi ma mavana kake vifi ya agbeshagbe alo memere ama no afia nya no bestrom ta anya Cyrus ya anya fa tatami male moaji ta nya kpoba anyi ma akbena mi awezolo
Zere kanto mi ekpo.
Okay. That very easy.
Mi do wezona mi kata mi ga do wezon ka abale ka mi echo siana gbo siana nyako gbo me miele ta fifia mi jo siana gbo vie mi ga tere mi aponu sosro mi asro mi adegbe ta miaselawo nukpɔlawo kple toɖolawo katã miva miasrɔ̃ ʋegbe. Egbea miaƒe nusɔsrɔ̃ yi ge aleke míaƒo nu tso gbe sia gbe nuzazãwo ŋu. Nu ɖeka eve aɖewo míezãna le míaƒe me wonɔ asitsɔƒe na mí. Ne trɔ leke ko nàtoe azã. Míasrɔ̃ nu ɖeka eve aɖe. Nenye ɖeka ƒe ŋkɔe nete lé ɖe tamea, vevietɔ ame yiwo be yewoasrɔ̃ gbea, yiwo mesem oa, nenye nu ɖeka nete tsɔ le me hã, ke wo hã egbãtɔ ya nekɔ le me na mí. Ta mie nu srɔ̃ ge gbadzaa ko. Menye mí me nuŋlɔkpe zã go. Míasrɔ̃ nuwo ƒe ŋkɔwo ɖeka ɖeka. Ta míage ɖe aƒe me. Míakpɔ be nu kawoe le míaƒe aƒewo me hã. Ta dana mi nye kɔna kpɔ gbɔwɔ fi ma ɖa. Nu kawoe le gbɔwɔ fi ma. Gbe sia gbe nuzazãwo.
Nuwo li ya gake ale yi ne gblɔ be míage ɖe aƒe mea, ko míanɔ tsia. Ɖeku.
Na xɔmedzro ɖo na tsia me. Ta nuke míekɔ gane tsia me.
Ele asi wo. Ɖeku na kɔtɔ wo nam. Kɔtɔ wa fia. Tɔwa ɖe.
Makotɔ nya fia o.
Ɖeku ye. Mena be nya
ɖeka. Yɔ aƒemenu ɖeka. Nka. Kplu. Kplu. Nka. Mi katã miagagblea ke kplu.
Klu.
Kplu.
Klu.
Pu. O. U. Kplu.
Klu.
Enye tsinonu. Mi ke miezãna nɔ tsi le me. Abe xeyi ene. Tame sia me ne kpɔ gbɔ ne ɖe lia nakoe vɛ. Kplu. Eya seƒoƒoviwo hã le dzi. Kplu.
Ne míage ɖe aƒea me koa, ekɔ kplua.
Ke kutsi. Ke tututu. Ta kplu alo tsinonu. Míegazãna tre hã tre koe mele gbɔnye afi o. Ne menyɔ ne mehee hã ɖe. Ta kplu. Míezã kplu. Ta fifia dana mi makpɔ kplɔ ɖa. Kplu.
Ele be matso. Matso. Mele kuku me gbɔna.
Kudu nakɔ kplu vɛ. Ta míehiã ne kplu. Míezãnɛ míenɔ tsi. Míekɔe kua tsi. Haya ega yevutɔe ma. Kplu. Ye ma kplu. Okay. Enyo ŋutɔ adzagba. Ke míagayi dzi míagayɔ nu bubu. Míagayɔ nu bubu. Ke fia be ne míeva nuɖugea, nu yiwo tɔgbi míezãna kɔ ɖua nua, míayɔ ɖeka eve aɖewo. Ke ne míeyɔ kplu ɖe, nuka hã míagatã zã?
Awɔna be le nuɖuɖu me agba hã. Kɔna agba me le asiwòa me te.
Agba le nyage ŋutɔ le afo.
Agba.
Ta agba le nyage.
Medzi be ma de gɔme le English me ve because ame ɖewo lia. O se ʋegbe nenema ta mi ʋegbe do ra ma se gɔme ta mana summary vi aɖe. So today what we are learning, we know some people, if you are speaking the English or you are speaking only Eʋe, they won't understand very well. So we are trying to learn about household items that we use in the house. So we started with the cup, which is kplu, and the second one we're going to look at is the plate. So there are other things that we use like spoon, gachi. So those are the things we are learning today, the things we use in the house. So our belief is that as we learn these things, you'll be able to relate with them and understand them. And if at the end you are able to be able to mention one or two in Eʋe, that's a great achievement. So that's what we're doing today. Thank you.
Akbar, thank you very much. So things around our dining table or in the house, everyday use or our daily use items. Yeah. Ta mi gavagbo over agba. Agba ha ale vo. Agba gali, agba vili, agba gobili, agba gbadzeli, agba oli vo. Abale ke kplu ha li vo ne. Ta miakpoba nudugba kawo miata zã le miaƒe nuɖui. Miekpo mɔluvi aɖe, kpo tadivi aɖe, ekpo koklo la ɖeka da ɖe edzi ɖi agba ke miazã. Ta agba eɖewo le afi ya. Le kpɔ ɖe me agba mi katã mi gblɔe. Agba. Nuɖugba agba.
Efoseros, wohale ben agbonagblɔm no, nyakata.
Foseros,
Agba.
agba.
Nyɔkpa agbara.
Agba.
Heme.
Gbenobonogble agba. Mi katã nukpɔlawo, nyaselawo, mi katã nka nuɖeka sɔm.
Repeat after us. Agba. A plate. A dish. Agba. The key thing is to repeat everything we're saying.
Yeah. We have different types of agba.
Do I repeat it?
Different types of plate. Agba mi yogi. Agba. 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 Olive. Agba. 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 Mi komi afufu ekplo de chi. Agba.
A deep one. If you that's why we're saying fufu, because a deep one, something with soup or something like that.
Yeah, agba. Ta mieko agba oha. Oli anga toli. Paper toli. Agba oli vuvuvu. Ta miega jola fima. Ta agba miesro nureka. Afiva agba gbo. Nke miesro gba danami.
Plua.
Anyagba lento. Plu. Agba. Plu. Agba.
Different types of agba. Agba vovovo.
Agba vovovo. Plu. Agba. Okay. Yeah. So vie mi aga ibo sango gbo mi ava. Ta doctor no jajam do nami. Miekpo plu miekpo agba. Vifia na molu ava agba ma alo chijoju ava plu ma elebe miako nane miakui. Ta mi azaga mi ala enya nka gati alo gachi. Gati alo gachi. Iha yenye yi.
Gachi. Gachi edwabli.
Bule devia. Bini mana gagbeje kamiasa.
Gachi. Spoon. Gachi.
Yema. Gachi. Gachi. Ta fifia miekpo nu amaton. Aya gachi ha suetoli ne, gantoli ne. Kana mi gantola bo.
Gato. Oh, yeah, miakoda no alo, miakodo.
Gato.
Yes, sir. Gato ha, for tea. Aka mata ko. Why you ji magbana?
Gato, gachivi, gachigan. Ihali, nyezana. Gachi. If you miecho, plu, agba, gachi. Anu ọmọ tó ẹ máa ń yẹ sọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ máa fi à. Yẹ wò, gachi gan fa. Gachi gan. Apẹ tó kakule. Alokalami. Gachi. Taiha. Nyama. Tete a miega jo la fima. Nyanga ponu bubura. Nemiero plon. Vevieto. Yevo demiele. Yero plon no na plon di vovovo. Gachia ha nonyi. Agba nonyi. Plu ha nonyi. Gaka nure kaga kpenare mu. Yega nyanuka. Yezana he. He. Abana nwa sasama na tansi. He ai hali vovovovovo. He. Nye kodo no angatoli. Gatoli. He yenye ta he
Interlude.
ni vinya la fima na glo he
Knife.
he
Hey.
he
Hey.
he
That's nice. Nice in a way.
Ta he ye ko ga say evubolo na akoya oni ta ye vubolo say ya danami hirago aya mi akoga pa evubolo
There are ridges at the bottom. Ridges are that very benobe. I feel mele smooth. How would you say?
Adweleshi.
Yes, adweleshi.
Taya mi koni sa ye vubolo. Donc varo akpe ona mi tre.
Mayam.
Yekpo here jodofi he. Aya mi ko fleanu ganganga iha he. Ta he ha le mi ashi vuvuvu. Anga he ha nonyi he ta miekpo plu miekpo plu miekpo agba miekpo agba miekpo nka gachi fifia miekpo he ta anu omene miekpo omene danami alafima
Menako magbana pe
Doc avaro
mele afuma yekla mo mie jedom le emoji among lomda fuma ogbagbajem David Orin ametowo yona lafia afi David Lavina mensa halafia ta bekaraji bambo bubo halafuma akpe na mi bani
wezo David Lavina echako me mitelo me invite.
Okay.
She's going to be one of our first students.
I see. Welcome. Esther Eʋegbe. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, welcome, David Lavina. Wezo.
She's put herself in my hands to teach her Ever. She and one other person, so that's great.
Yeah. It looks like she has the learning spirit. So she's here. As you can see, we started communicating. I think she was right here on time. So we started
Yes.
starting from the beginning. So we have Davi, Doreen also here. And okay, yo, akpe. Yeah, let's go again.
Bia chomon pokwa ya abdona mi afanya salon polo pla duazaba mi sukua humta mi jiba monova nglonko yonto mi yanko sam devia no yom he kulu devia la no godo no yom ta devi yom ye gbono he gava kaji mi akpo ta mi be mi ko mi aviove vevie to devio mi ejire gbeji o mo sagbo mi ejibe no srogba no valo.
Yo, akpe.
Okay. Ta miaƒe nu ya ne miewɔa mieda ha dagere kaji ale miekɔ ŋlɔ ge ne ɖeviawo ne mia adawo ɖe hatsotso aɖe me. Menye ɖeviwo ɖeɖe o, ame tsitsiwo maɖo woƒe kpeɖeŋutɔ alo wo srɔ̃ wodzi be no srɔ̃gbea wonye gbe bubu gblɔlawo mihe wo katã vɛ miasrɔ̃ miade gbe. Nu yiwo nye nu nyunyui aɖewo sia nakɔ vɛ ale bene migatsi gbe fũu ta akpe na mi. Miawoe va dɔ wɔ ge, miawoe wɔm hã. Nu ko srɔ̃ miele miva mi srɔ̃ ʋegbe. Ke dɔk miaɖi tsa miava.
Ye miadi tsa miava. Akpe na mi. Da vero, da na mi. Kple efo gosen. Yo, ke mie gbɔna kpie.
Awo mi gblẽna bosanu be awo vlo nɔvio. Mi gblẽna satana be awo vlo. Nɔvio mi gblẽna bosanu be awo vlo nɔvio. Mi gblẽna satana be awo.
Yo.
All right, ke miegbo.
Miegbo.
Okay. Yo. Fifia miaga yi dzi. Miesrɔ̃ enua me ne. Miesrɔ̃ kplu, agba, gati, he. Fifia miaga yi nana srɔ̃ ge. Are yɔ miezana tsinono. Miaƒe tsinono eɖewo nɔna tukpa me. Eɖewo hã le aƒea ele kotokuvi me. Woyɔnɛ be pure water. Gake fia ele atukpa me. Ta miasrɔ̃ atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa.
Atukpa. Atukpa.
Atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa. Ehali vovo in different shapes. Different types. Atukpa. Haya ha. Atukpa. Atukpa. Atukpa.
I had one, but I decided not to show that one.
Atukpa. Haya ha. Atukpa. Yeah, atukpa. Like vinyare na glo atukpa.
Yeah, man, atupa.
Good enough.
Atupa. Yeah.
That's butter.
Gayoni haba bodiabo. Miezana atukpa. Atukpa. Miezane awu. Ta. Yemye wo lessons vai chan. Miezane bodiabo ha. Oba da fi ha wa gava fi. Miekpo atukpa. Miekpo plu. Miekpo he. Miekpo agba. Miegara kakogati. Miela fima. Bifia miako noodles alo kutu. Ime mi remolu ale. Ime mi otadi ale. Ta iha vavaga. Kutu. Noodles kutu. Noodles kutu. Enye. Mtuviala kutu. Alo noodles. Vinyana ble kutu.
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 Say kutu. Kutu.
Yeah.
Kutu. Kutu. Noodles. Ye me mi ramolwela. Ye me mi watadiala. Ye me mi kwozu biahala. Kutu. Kutu. Ta kutu miera moluma miera akplan mia togba mata direm kutu. Kutu. Ta fifia mia ga imagba. Yamajiba mia ngulunwa obo.
No, the car has sister. No, the car sister.
Oh, nyata fa mako mara fia. Ashitutunu. Ashitutunu.
Hello, tutunu, you know. Napkin.
Ashitutunu. Ashitutuvo. Alo ashitutunu. Yenya napkin. Adavana avo. Alo ni. Na mi chovia kama kogavi. Ashitutunu. Okay. Interlude. Docre.
Yo, mie bona pi akpe nami. Like enwa de mi ogo masama nya ya oglo mi nkudo ma enwa oje. Mi apa no so la.
No ngamra no atanami.
Da like mi don kungi oje ala be da nami ple da veroa. The Obiana Biavaviento, they ask a lot of questions. So get ready for the quiz. So make sure you remember everything.
Sure.
In detail. Because if you know what is napkin, assisted to know, you should know what is tray or calabash. I think they did show that you did not have one, they did not have one at home.
Tre.
I think they showed this. Ofi and Heya. Tray, so this is calabash tray earlier. So just giving you some pointers so that when it's quiz time, you don't blame me that I didn't tell you that Danami, Davero, and Fosaros.
You haven't taught.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so Dalavina says, hey. And then can you pronounce? Okay, can you pronounce napkin again?
Asitutunu. Asitutunu. Allo ashitutuvo.
Okay, I'm typing it there. So
and let me add that Ashia, or some people say Ati because of the different dialectal parts of the language. There, Ashitu is it's hands, fingers. That's why you're getting it. That's why it seems so big. But you're going to learn, once you learn about fingers and parts of the body, you see why that word is so. I mean, that little tiny thing has such a big name.
Davina, asitutunu anyarekai. Put all together. It should all come together. Asitutunu. Or I see two vo.
Yeah.
It should all come
I'm
together.
sure she got it.
Yeah. Okay. Then
Enyo akpe.
take a little break.
Yeah, that dialogue about this is helpful. If you have a segoma,
Thank you.
I see two no, so
Yeah.
syllable by syllables. I see
Right.
two
I see
no.
I see
I see two.
vo. The vo is cloth.
Yeah, vo is cloth.
Vo is cloth. That's what I'm saying. There are two. Yeah, but you'll get it once you know the parts of the body. Then you, because we tend to use parts of the body to name things, to name the doing verbs.
Yeah.
So that's why it seems like why such a long whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, okay.
We're gonna give you some music and we'll be back.
Okay.
Be back very soon. Yo, nearby.
I think we run out of items. I don't have extra. Yeah, no problem. I don't have enough of the stuff. I thought it would take us a long time. But
akpe, trouble. Akpe, yo, ke ele miagbo, anyi nova.
Kero komiaga iji abale mie gloma mie sukuvi ojim alebe miawe wanyakpo miavio yo ke mie jire gbeji wo mesegbo no wasru mia degbe ne maregbona na be yagbo na vio be shia wasegoma be shi watanshi ta ifon kusro me miele ta nu regba mie nu ƒom tso aƒeme zazãwo vevietɔ le nuɖukplɔ ŋtsi nu ɖeka ɖo yi ke miezãna ne míeŋlɔ nane be mi mekoe da ɖe dzi ye nenye nukpɔla alo toɖola ye nekpea aŋlui ɖe me na mi ne mia akoe akɔ vɛ ta akpe na mi miawoe ve dɔwɔ ge miawoe dɔ wɔm hã ne miayi dzi miesrɔ̃ nu ɖeka ɖo va yi ta miaɖo ŋku nu kawo miesrɔ̃ gbã dana mi
agba
miesrɔ̃ agba kɔ agba dogbe makpɔ agba
maybe it comes in evanale, right? It comes, if I say evana vovovo, right? Okay. So it comes in different shapes and sizes and different types. Agba just means a plate or something that you eat in or do something in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Also, by the way, I guess those who know me, who don't know me, I speak Apprende Eʋe. So, one of those like you who has to learn now. So, if you hear my English going through the Eʋe and even asking how something is said, don't worry, you will be the same, and before you know it, you understand it, and that's it. So here's another. That agba.
Yeah,
Right?
agba. Agba
Agba,
is another.
koko. How do you know? I mean, koko. I mean, it's deep. How do you say deep?
Agba gobi.
Agba. Okay.
Agba gobi. Alo agba gobo. Gobo.
Okay.
Meaning is deep.
Nyako do nane he the
Ano
chief.
na jogbo ha. Adu amolu ha.
Your house.
Adu bobo ha.
Yeah, everything. And then they come in different, different shapes and colors. This is plastic.
Yeah.
And of course, we also have many disposable. This week I'm going to clog out disposable.
Paper to.
Yeah.
Akpa. So kuvi niaran to nya ganala. Yeah. Ka mi ga iji. Nuka ha mi ga sron. Yes, right.
Mistro nu yabe atukpa yevu be bottle. Na ko be atukpa alem ha ba le enu agba to hon le atukpa li o konu na echi tukpa echi kono na the halia ahatukpa. So we have different kinds of bottles also. We have water bottle, wine bottle, whiskey bottle.
Yeah. breakable ones, plastic ones.
Yeah.
Plastic you throw away.
Yeah. I have
the wine, wine is also a tupa. Those are when we go to the African market and buy palm oils. That Lavina, I know you know because you eat that food. So you buy the palm oil and all those things, they are in atupa. And they are all in atupa. They are in bottle. Yes.
Atupa. So we have learned atupa. Okay. Boro. Hello, bodiabo. Bodiabo.
Another name is bodiabo.
Another name. Another dialect. Okay. Dan polau nyasalo mi kuna na chungwa mingulere nwa basama na mi fa. Okay. Nyaga iji. Nuka ha mi gasro.
Blue.
Gasro. Blue.
Kopu.
Blue. Kopu. English part ma.
Mi bro kopu.
Kake dem le English.
Enya.
Amona no sem.
If there's an English part to any vernacular we speak, is because before the white man came, we didn't say it that way. Cup is because they came with instead cup. Blue. Blue, right? Blue. Yeah. Blue. That's a real name in our language.
Anya haya. Anya chijoju no tomana coffee amadi.
The difference.
Emma. Haya ha plue. Akanya gayo ni ba konko. Mi gayo ni ba konko.
Konko. No kata na konko.
Anko nyama.
Okay.
Hai. Aloma la mo.
It's just a glass. It's a glass. Drinking glass.
Konko. Bega yo ni banka. Blue ko. Nui ka mo no nula.
It's just
Blue. No. Blue. Nusha nui ka miezana no na noa. Miawe ba blue. Vieto o wede no mayaoma. Anything in this form is blue. Love. Okay. Mi gastro no bubu ha. Ka mi gastro.
Gallo. Nyawa gallo eh.
Ni manyan ke gallo gojiri.
Asi.
Gaflo.
Asi tutu vo.
Ashi tutu vo. Miewo ashi tutu vo. Ashi tutu vo.
Yeah.
Yaka na me remove yezani. Alo na anudu pa opeda no na dara kota.
Napkin.
Api ashi tutu vo. Alo ashi tutu nu. Ashi tutu nu.
Ashitutu vo for that Lavina. Ashitutu vo is like cloth. So it's like a napkin, think about cloth napkin. And then no, when you just say ashitutu nua, then it's something you wipe your mouth with. So they all kind of come together.
Atamva fifi mi have ayuka mi kona pork baba kaya wona
Yeah, that's just a tissue, napkin.
Ta hamo asitutu nu ko nya na tutu ko na kwa puba. Okay. Nka ha mi ga so ka je mi ga ronkwe.
Nudaze.
Yes, ro nudaze.
Lokutu.
Kutu.
Ephosaurus, something you said, whatever you said is ze.
Kutu. No, anye tong bedo maleta.
Yeah, man,
Kutu. Nami azonu aje amogbe bu ho torum.
Oh,
Kutu. Kutu. Kutuga. Kutu. Nudaze.
Ephosaurus, mama via enu akpama.
Okay.
Pot.
Kutu.
Kutu. Yeah.
Kutu.
Very good.
Yecho afi ma mi ga so no bubu ha. Nka je mi ga ronku.
Mi akpolisa be amade gbona ne ha. To biara ko. Yeah. Calabash, yeah. Yeneglo plu penya calabash amenya small ya. Yeah, okay.
No. Tre.
Yeah, tre.
Allo tre.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, mi ga so nu daka mi ga ngulebo.
Okay, ma. Gotcha. Okay, ma, no more.
Gachi. Allo gachi.
Different ones, different sizes, different styles.
Me gachi. Gachi vi. Gachi ga.
Gachi lolo.
Afi chi hali. Nye gachi perform boom. Okay. Me glo hey. Me glo hey. Me fuve hey.
Kedabero. Obialo. Here. Type, yeah, this is for the table, You've opened setup table. Yeah. Near corner description, I beg for the Nanchira.
Can you do here on ya?
Nudu he, then they will know.
Ala yamada now. No shamo. We
Nudu he.
Nanguloba yi no saga of asa shivi no ta. Yamada na Tony ko sasa kwenye nudu ikabi alo. Nuvivi mola ponji. Mara na lama sankata zanga afia siota. Ka abe hento ike miezana le dzodofia, dzodofi he, dzodofi he wɔwɔ woɖana ya ne fem ko esi o. Ife suetɔ miezana kɔ tsɔ fetri kple nu bubuwo hã. Wɔwo hã nye yi. Okay. Enyo ŋutɔ míedzagba agakpɔtɔ nano míagayi. Eya hã nɔ kplɔ dzi ne míeve nuɖu ge. Míeyɔnɛ be nuka gaflo. Gaflo. Osiris. Míeyɔnɛ be gaflo. Yevugbe ma le ko yɔnɛ.
Yevugbe ma le ko yɔnɛ. I know something you don't know, you never.
Yeah. Gaflo.
It's a fork.
Fork. Yeah, ikemi kodu na nui. Ifa tohali. Afi gatohali. Okay, I think I have it. Angatonyai. Yeah. Angatonyai. Gaflo. Gaflo. Yeah, I think we done.
Let me see. No, I can't remember.
Okay. Mako de kwen magloba hafina yevu na va jigera nyapo konoma ashie mikodu na nui. Nemi na akpela ruga ashi kple dechi kakele tambi niwa oba gachi kple gachi a miezana kodu na nu kake yevu wanye yameje gomono zam kake miko funa dechi ya miko kuna dechi ya gantole miko kuna dechi miko funa dechi ta nemenye mawa amarata agbrimiana. What I'm saying is before our contact with our Europeans, we used to eat with our hands, whether it's rice, whether it's banku, akbele, we just eat with our hands. So we didn't used to eat with spoon.
Yeah. Alanana ba afi yevuna ve ama ibonyigba jia. Nyatobio ha onya nuyokodo no eta nkole myashiba chi. Ozana chi. Kai na yevu over tromoni onya ga eta ozunga ga chi. Ala banka aya over we plaga. Ta ozana chi ko wona nu ika wo we pla achi. Ko wona nu ta. Yo hono sasama afi yevu oko utove. Ta inagble nanama magblom. Mia no for ba yevu ba spoon. Mia ha mia ba mia pashi bidea yenya spoon. SPOON spoon. Ta mia pashi aba mayibo na mia ha mia to mia pagachia yenya ya mia to biosa na afi mia ha mia ba manya mia order dejo na po na dogo mato aba manya mayoka mia fagmala yibo ya lo odunanu aba mia pepepe ozana shi na nama na mia yita paro mia dogwa mia obrona bana za shi aye na vivisaga na nududua ha mia to ha mia kpone bana za shi a mia hato vovo na azan yevuto ta nuko srome miela agba
makona na padanchi ekponu here alahi
Aklarachi.
I said yo ekpom abe akple dachi gakea our forefathers, forebears. Oza achi. Many necessarily be achiko. Oko dananure. Instead of this.
Yeah.
Instead of this.
Yeah.
They use that. And then, the little nudges here, that's just for that's just for the new thing, like, making bankon and akple and all that. But these are the same thing. They use wood. Just like, that's what we use.
Yeah.
To serve food. Instead of spoons, we use wood.
Yo, akpe na mi. Alaba mi ganglo miya mama oba. Miya tok biyo kwa. Miya mama okle miya tok biyo. Yeah, mi mauzama. Ta miya po achi ya oko dunangwa yela fia. So this is the spoon. And actually this is actually better than the other ones that we have. Yeah, these are better.
Free.
Yeah, these are better biodegradable materials compared to all the things that we have now, the plastics and other things like that. Instead of the spoon. So this is actually the original spoon. The one made with metal.
Yeah. Tanya duduk po. Inye ba mukaw miya Srɔ ba?
Srɔ gaflu. Yeah. Gaflu, which is
pork.
Gachi, which is spoon. No dazel, which is pot. Asitutuvo, which is napkin.
Yeah.
Atupa, which is border. Srɔ Agba, which is like a bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna have a belang.
I'm over it. Dana minu yang kori.
Okay, well, Eka. Oh, blue. Oh no, that's blue. No, that's not the one. No, that's not the one.
Yeah.
This is the one. Okay. Well, I guess you have a handle on it, and then of course, Yivuto. Shijoji tea no.
Shijoji no to Hey Ankori.
Nimeno akpamo. Here. Helena share. Nimeno akpamo. Akwa. Echo gbogbo that for many but I was taught growing up in Jelukopa is ehe. Akwa ye had bro fifia.
Why? La mia pon fofoma. Nyagba odona vuvu. Gake na vabe ya yo no tonko ko va vieto la ngongoloma ala vuvu. Dokolaba le miapa English gba gbogloma. Oba I go na. Well, I'm going to. Kakama moke ba I'm going ta nanama ko le mia dagbama. Alaba nano lia ogboglo le vuvu. Nana ava yoga. Amako
nyate ta Eʋegbe e onlo la gbale ma e nya anlo. Kake Eʋegbe Eʋedumeli. Afi bubu gali tong
Yeah.
Ko ha dan no liu ne different ke le ngonglo maonglo na anglo
La porama. La porama. Ni a miene ba aida. Amaroya ne ba aya. Ala vuvuvu. Ta de ba chofi pa nyagblomola alo dwi maton kuma le oyoge. Ta aida. Aida. Emio na mia.
Akpe. Ye mami eglo. Api ye kweve egbede shiada. Kaya oglona. Ple alonglone ato. Monoglombe. Texas toglona be y'all. All of you. Gake. If you are neng mangloma mangloga nanama. Alabe amo yonangu. So people call things in different ways. But there's a standard way of doing that. So when the language was written, young love like that, oko ni vovovo chotafel kopo fuye. Taite abe stick. The stick is called le anglo. In Anglo they say achi. But the matoglo na be ati. Okay, the written one is ati. So if you go to an exam and you want to write stick and you say achi, A-T-S-I, that is wrong. It has to be A-T-I.
Yeah.
So you have the local way of saying it, and then you have the standardized way, which is made by taking that from different places and putting them together. Okay.
Okay, so today things around the house, especially around our dining table, we learn few things in our language of things like cup, blue, plate, agba, knife, he, fork, gaflo, bottle, atupa, and what else? Comb, aida, calabash, tre, he, knife, spoon, gachi, or gati. So these few items, I think we can practice them, and next time we come, we speak our language. Thank you.
Thank you.
Akpanami.
Akpanami.
Sukuvio, akpanami, miawewe onyo, akpanami, danami. Osiris. Binyaba awe togboneba kpechika hoga aja agbanto.
Yo, akpe davero danami. Lepo saros. Danami marukiji.
Oh, my goodness, yes, I had to say bye bye to
na wunya miaga gle miaga na wanya ba no nanko na miapa linka vavage na wonglonko na anwo soso.
Me a post. Okay. Fifi, we are ready. We are ready to start a beginner's class. So, we have a flyer that will be coming out all the week. We'll send it out, and also post it in various forums. And if you want to be a part of it, you what's the word? You register on that form. Like this lady that we had here, that Lavina, she has registered. I know, she told me yesterday. So be looking out for it. And the beginners class would start the beginning of November. But the rest of this month, we are going to dedicate it to getting the students who are interested, young and old. We can all be in the beginners class. It's just different. Do you have something to add, my companions?
That's it.
Yeah, Alabama. Yeah, so the form is right here. So I just pasted the form into the comment section. It's here. If you click on it, you'll be able to register. Na ekashi etoshi ni magia ngonglo make mafia leta fuma adore tepe na nglonko bale danami egblene alabe macho yacho monko kwa da pana miagata be mi dore mianchi egba masham da lavina mensa da lavina mensa elafia egba kle David Doreen amatoyona kle amabubu kata ikemo englong nana kerafia mi da pana mi be mi dore mianchi efia alobe mi da pana mi afa agbanlajiglau da nami da vero fosaros de do gata mi leta alobe obe enyanyu adeva nyichoa na mi donkujia miafe nufiala gan cho ocho University of Education Winneba but fiapa la fuma o eglona mi be yo pepede nwa regime na ega la be de vio no la sukua de omoten sukua nwumo la be gamali okohe efel ta flache alabe ta obia bele ke mi akpede yonchi ha alabe ko ne mi don kujia me kwebe amade no afia nye mi apenu pola de ikenye Dr. Forgive avogbedo ko anglo da fia be ne mi abu mi achadang mi akweda bele ke mi awe ha alabe ta nye klumi va pon ko ebe ya nami dollar akpereka akoje gome ta mi da pene Dr. Forgive avogbedo enami akpereka dollar akpereka ne University of Education Winneba. So let's thank Dr. Forgive avogbedo. For those who don't understand Ewe, let me just translate. So Dr. Forgive Avogbedo, she is giving $1,000 to the University of Education Winneba, the Ewe department. Yeah, for that work. But we still need more contributions.
Wait, you said for that work. What work? You didn't explain that.
Oh, yeah, for the teaching. So as I mentioned at the beginning, I think I mentioned it in Ewe, there are people, there are students. Yeah, there are students who need help. What's happening is that is the only place in Ghana where teachers of Ewe are trained. And so it's very important to maintain that department, because if there are no teachers of the language, then no one will be able to learn the language. You know, these are professionals. However, there's a problem, and the problem is that some of the students drop out because they are unable to pay the fees, and that is a big challenge for the department. So Dr. Dogbe, who comes here regularly, he has been footing some of these bills himself. So Dr. Eʋegbe, forgive Eʋegbe, she saw the show the last time, and then she said she would think about how to help. So through this, she got back to me and she said that she's going to give us $1,000 for us to start this. So we need other folks to contribute towards this effort. So during our next coming show, we'll talk about this in more detail, so that folks can actually help. We also discuss how to make this sustainable, because it's important. This is not a one-time thing. There should be a pipeline. We should have a strategy in place. So I think it's up to all of us to work together to see how to do this, because as I always say, the blood of any nation or any people is the language. And once the language disappears, the culture and everything of that language just vaporizes. So we don't want that to happen to Eʋe. It's important for all of us to see how best to help with this. So once again, Akpe, Dr. Forgive Eʋegbe, for this. Yeah.
Akpe,
Thank you
Doctor.
very much indeed.
Akpe.
Yeah. Dr. Eʋegbe will be very, very grateful.
Yeah. So so once again, please prepare our listeners and viewers. We'll be talking about this. Let's all put our heads together. How can we help these students so that every teaching will continue? And I can tell you myself, when I went to high school, there was no Eʋe teacher then, and what I did was I talked to the headmaster. I said I wanted to learn Eʋe. So they had to spend a few months to get a teacher of Eʋe, right? So that took some time for them to get these teachers, these 2 teachers to come and teach so many students. So if you don't have any teachers, then yeah, the language is gone. And there are a lot of places around here, Native Americans, who are working very hard to preserve their language. There's an article that I was just reading earlier today that's talking about how the Native American languages are disappearing at a very fast rate. And they are complaining that with the language disappearing, the culture is also following along. Dr. Forgive Eʋegbe.
Thanks again, Doc.
Akpe namunala. Okay.
All right.
Yo, Mariku, enya bubuarele nyashi, emiako, akpereng ne miafe, nukola, klenya sala.
Akpe kumie dana mashama ba udure miang agbaha miapon bonao uiji pepepe. Kanu vio mia strong, miako afie mia vio, de vio mi bano sagba. Nure karaka no nya yoyoko. Gava when we are using the whiteboard, then it will be easy for us. Now we're just doing virtual. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, thank you. Akpanami.
All right.
Miaga akpe.
Miaga dogo.
Miaga dogo.
Akpebe miezonde miao.
Akpe kakaka.
Enyo. Akpanami. Ta miape ngi ami ogba yema. DZODOⴼE NUWO, everyday household items. Egba miape français ta o mava ta. Yeah, you meten do français ta. O ta maybe da vero clear dana mia maybe all dona français ta ga keba obe français mia
Edo di beberagbo.
Egba mo doni mamlagbo ta mo
All right.
Yes, I'm
Okay. Yema.
Nyaga dogo.
Nyaga adogo.
Yeah.
Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Novio, migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Ao blo, ao blo, ao blo. Ao blo, ao blo, ao blo. Migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Ao jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu Eʋegbe. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu Eʋegbe. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya. Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Ao blo, ao blo, ao blo. Ao blo, ao blo, ao blo. Migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba, ao blo. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu Eʋegbe. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya. Ajato, jojo nya nya nya, dala Yesu Eʋegbe. Jokato, jojo nya nya nya. Ao migrena bosanuba, ao blo novio. Migrena satanaba,